Now that you know how to make a basic path, you are ready to learn some more advanced features of the Raphael 4040 conformal coating robot. Anytime you have a 180 degree or 90 degree transition in the path, it is better to use an arc because of the way the brush flares. You don't want to back up a brush because it can be hard on the bristles. You can also use an arc for a round part like a capacitor or if the board itself is round. To transform a line into an arc, simply right-click on the line, select Make an Arc. Move the mouse to the preferred curve, left-click and select Finish Move. To change it back to a line, right-click on the arc, select Make a Line, and Finish Move. Or you can just click Undo. Vertical moves are helpful when you need to move up and over a component or if there's a tall component that you'd like to coat. When moving up to coat a daughter board and coming back down, vertical moves are used. To use a vertical move, simply right-click on the point where the vertical move is needed. Click Edit Position and change the Z value. Press Enter. Repeat this process for any point in which the vertical move is needed. If you need to add a point somewhere along the path, you can split a move. Splits are used if you miss a spot, need more coverage, or need to add vertical moves, arcs, or speed changes. To split a move, right-click on the move and select Split. Position the new point appropriately, then left-click to place it. Many times when creating paths, you need to use splits and vertical moves together. For example, if I want to move up and over this white connector, I will need two separate points with different Z values. I need to split this move and add a point really close to the original point. I can zoom in to the points and change their Z values. This point will stay close to the board at 0, right here. This point needs to be high enough to pass over the white connector, so I will edit the Z value to 20. I need to do the same thing on the other side. Split the move into two close points and check the Z values of each point. Edit this position. This is the high one. We're going to edit it to 20. And this will be the low one, and it's 0. Check the Z values on the points placed after the vertical move and make sure they are also positioned close to the board at 0. When programming your path, you may realize that you no longer need a point or set of points. To delete a point, right-click on the point and click Delete. To delete multiple points, hold down Shift. Click the first point and the last point that you'd like to delete. Right-click on your selection and click Delete. Add Before is used to add a point before the green starting point of the path. If you want to check the brush's registration, you may want to add a point before you start coating using the Add Before feature. To do this, right-click on the green starting point and select Add Move Before. Position the new move appropriately, left-click to place it, and click Finish Move to save it. Add After is used to add a point after the red ending point of the path. This is helpful when adding a point at the end of your path to prepare to start coating the next board. To do this, right-click on the red ending point and select Add Move After. Position the new point appropriately, left-click to place it, and click Finish Move to save it.